How to be an effective presenter. The skills that you must possess. Soft skills refer to the personality traits, interpersonal skills, and behavior you must use to interact with other people. These abilities are crucial if you want to become an efficient presenter, someone who can be trusted to make any everyday live event productive and remarkable. Luckily, these valuable assets can be learned and developed. Nobody should think that one has to be born with these. Encouraging everyone to participate, communicating effectively, and working collaboratively to make gatherings successful are examples of soft skills essential to the events. By knowing what soft skills are and how to develop these, you can become a professional presenter who is taught after both new and established organizations worldwide. Here is a list of soft skills you must possess to become an efficient master of ceremony or presenter. Number one, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence refers to your ability to control and understand your emotions while identifying and emphasizing with the emotions of other people. This is critical when remaining calm is significant, and if you need to understand the opinion of both the audience and the speakers. You must have a sense of ease, and this must be expressed in your face, your words, body language, and gestures. Be comfortable in your own skin and allow pauses instead of rushing. You must develop a sense of calm commitment that will draw the crowd without shattering. To show a sense of calm ease, you should have a sparkle in your eyes, significant pauses when speaking, and a gesture that emphasizes your point. Creativity is important. Being creative refers to thinking outside the box and finding innovative solutions to solve any problem that can arise before, during, and after events. For instance, you should keep an open mind whenever you are confronted with bizarre ideas instead of ignoring or shutting them down. It is also helpful to use creative techniques like provocation, mind maps, and role playing. Next point is critical thinking. Critical thinking is knowing how to analyze information and give reasons effectively. While hosting events, this will involve a process of taking problems or information and understanding them to develop solutions to extract value. To become an excellent critical thinker, you need to know more than what your audience does. The participants must perceive you as someone who can translate the details into their level of understanding. This can only materialize if you are familiar with your subject, so you need to prepare and practice your presentation very well. Start with a concise and compelling message. Tell a story instead of presenting just a list of bullet points. Every part of your presentation must move the message forward. The ending should then wrap up the whole thing in an organized fashion and to go back to the message mentally initially. Communications are the next important thing you must take care of. You need to speak to the audience politely and clearly, and at the same time, listen to what they have to say. Effective communication involves verbal and written skills that are also tied to active listening. The best way to develop your communication skills is to build your confidence by turning your nervousness into power. Fine tune your delivery skills and work on your mental focus. If you are in command of your thoughts, you can speak fluently and confidently, and fillers or hesitations can be avoided in your speech. Moreover, know how to connect with the audience. You can do this by thinking about them, relating your content to them. You can also move closer to them, make eye contact, and engage them in discussion. Most importantly, don't waste their time with irrelevant presentation or verbose talks. Flexibility. Being flexible means embracing challenges and changes with a resourceful and positive attitude. Unexpected problems can arise during presentations, but this should not discourage you from doing what you are doing your best. Instead, quickly find a solution and make it look like it was a part of your event wherever possible. The world is constantly changing, so you must be resilient in response to these deviations and move them as opportunities instead of hindrances. Be persistent and resourceful to overcome any challenge that may arise during the event. Teamwork is also very important. Teamwork or collaborative working or collaboration refers to your ability to work effectively with everyone involved in the presentation or event. It requires and encompasses other soft skills including flexibility, communication, and emotional intelligence. For events that include several speakers, working collaboratively with them as the event MC is crucial in ensuring that everything will run smoothly. You must know the structure of the program and inform the speakers of their order. Give emphasis on how long they must speak, how long they should be on stage, so that not to disrupt the timetable. Inform them about the signal indicating that they have only a few minutes left to wrap up their speech. They must know it. The ability to think critically and resolve issues and interact effectively is so vital navigating through the events and presentations successfully. Luckily, you can develop these soft skills through experience and leadership and management training that you can nurture with proper focus, structure, and repetition.